Okay, sculpting friends. Third time is a charm, right? So, this is the super simple version of what I'm trying to say. So, what I've decided is that I need to go mostly digital and start focusing with the membership site and the downloadable things and then build up from there. And I also need to figure out a plan that I have enough money to survive each month, because that keeps on being a huge stressor that keeps on causing me to have the shutdowns that make it so I can't be working as much as I need to. And so I'm just trying to fix that situation. So the plan is to start with the memberships. And so I have some cool things going on starting tonight and through the weekend. It'll be especially 3 full days of a Sculpt-A-Thon is what I'm calling it. So if you go to my Ko-fi site right now, this is my hub as far as like where you can find me and reach me. There's message stuff right here. You can always send a message to me, and I'm checking this every day. So here's the site. Here's the link, ko-fi.com/Aprillian. So when you come here, there's some things to notice. These are the goals that I'm working on most immediately. Right now, I am a little bit behind on my rent, and I also, well, the other videos will tell you about what happened with it, and so why I need to raise up some money really quickly so I can get this situation secure. But if I can, then it is good, and it'll be a good situation here, and that's what I'm hoping for, so I am not interrupted again as far as trying to get working and moving and creating. So you can look at these goals. They'll change from time to time as the goals change, especially as I move more towards trying to get a business grant as well. So the other thing to check out is either here where it says membership or over here. That's where you can go. And there are 3 levels of membership. Now, when you join the highest one, the other 2 apply as well. So they kind of fit inside each other. The beginning one, you can't do free. I was going to do a free one, but you have to have some dollar amount put here. And so the people who are at the fairy dust here, these are for people who will get access to all my YouTube videos ad-free, so you don't have to worry about the ads anymore. You'll also receive a discount each month, too, that you're a member that will more than compensate for that dollar a month type of thing. And then you'll also be able to get members-only specials and stuff that we'll have in the store from time to time and give you, really good deals on, say a certain video set is on sale for $5 just for the fairy dust members, or anybody who has a membership type of thing. That's just a sample. So it's worth joining. It also will give you access to a Rizuku type course that will have all of the YouTube information in it. Now I'm still putting that together right now, so for the next few days you can just see it growing. But it also is going to have, and already does have, the new face videos that I am creating right now that are of the bunny baby. And I end up creating a couple more faces, and I recorded it all for you. And eventually it's going to be another course that I offer. But right now, for anybody who joins, it's just going to be on there free for you. I also will have each of the next 3 days a few of the different premium courses and workshops available for you to watch there. So be sure to visit each day and see what's available to take a peek at. And then you'll kind of get an idea of what Sculpt University is like and what it can offer you, and if you like my teaching style, that type of thing, right? So then if you decide that you want to go beyond the fairy dust, there is the Sculpt University membership. Now I've put it at $69 per month because what I'm doing now is I'm about tripling all the amount of information that's there. It will now also contain all of the sculpt boxes, all of the workshops, basically any of the sculpting videos I've ever created will be there, and they'll also be in an organized manner, so it'll be easier for you to find and search through. I think for at least a little while we'll still have the other Sculpt University that I was working on. I'm trying to figure out what platform is going to be the best, and I need to talk to the folks at Rizuku more to see if they have a way to kind of combine the 2. Anyway, it will give you access to nearly everything. If you want the All Access Pass, that is the one that's $99 a month. Now, with that, you get the Sculpt University membership, but you also will get a new Sculpt box. The current month's Sculpt box will be shipped to you for that as well. So the prices of the Sculpt boxes can vary from time to time. I'm bringing those back starting this month, which I'm going to be doing a quick one and getting it off to you in a couple days. It'll also be available digitally if you'd prefer that. But anyway, that's what I want to be doing as well. People who have the All Access Pass also get priority as far as contact with me, as far as being able to give their ideas and suggestions for upcoming sculpt boxes or different projects to work on at Sculpt University. Because I find what I do most naturally that gives me a lot of joy when I actually get to really enjoy the sculpting instead of force my muse to do it because I'm trying to meet some deadline, a big difference. Excuse me. Anyway, at the All Access Pass level, I will also have a class that everybody who has this level of access will have access to. And in there, we will talk about the coming projects. You can give your ideas. You can make suggestions. If you're having trouble with something in particular, that could be the next video that I, create. So I want to be able to take your input and have you help with the creation of this as well. So anyway, that's the main focus, that I've got this membership opening up in this new format, and I'm loading it up with everything in the next 3 days. I'm also having many videos keep showing up on my YouTube channel. And if you want to see them in a course format, just join here at the Fairy Dust level, and that will get you access to the Rizuku version of all those different courses as I'm adding them that are available on YouTube, as well as access to several of the premium ones that for the next 3 days you can access for free watching online. All right, so, okay, that's pretty good. So even if you just keep an eye on YouTube and this Ko-fi channel, I'll be announcing each new video as it comes up. A lot of them will be new material. Some will be sneak peeks into some of the different projects that I've done, so you can kind of get an idea of what that video set is like. But largely it will be new information for you. Also, as we have people joining the membership, I'll be listening and checking messages. So if you have any idea or need a specific help with something as I'm making videos in this next 72 hours, that's a lot of video information I need to be able to share with you. I've got plenty to keep us busy, but if there's stuff that you want specifically, let me know. And the sooner people join, the sooner they are able to give their input and have it shaped into what's going to be most beneficial for you personally as well. And also for the first 20 members, I've got 20 different dolls that are available, and I will show you where those are. So you want to go up to the shop, and then especially if you click on this member only, that'll sort it, so it's just only the ones that have joined at the All Access, because these are the dolls that each of those 20 people gets to select one, and the first person to join to go ahead and get your membership. So you would click on the membership, you would click join here. It will explain everything that comes with it. Also, I decided to give a 15% discount code for people each month. So you'll always be having a discount. Right now there isn't a lot in my shop other than the digital stuff, but there will be some things, and that will grow as I can handle the growth. So anyway, you can pay more than $99 if you want, but $99 is what it's going to be at. You put in your email address and your name, and then your card information, and then the pay now with it. So once you do that, then it will give you access to, in the shop, we'll go to this member only area, and each of these dolls, then suddenly you'll be able to pick one. So if you are one of those first 20, go ahead and pick a doll. There's a few of them that I mentioned on the video. I'll just show you getting into it. Let's see. Let's go look at. We do have the young fairy right now too. There's a few of these that are worth quite a bit. So I just figured I want to reward whoever is willing to lend their support the fastest. Well, I just thought that'd be kind of fun. Okay, so anyway, I guess this is the way that you could do it too. Just go ahead and click on the doll that you want. Then you can join there, and then once you log in, it will say that you are a member and can purchase this, right? If this is the one that you want, then you can add it to your cart and make that purchase. And so essentially you'll be paying $99 to have your monthly membership, and then $1 more for the doll. So, for $100 you get a month of all access pass and everything that includes, plus a doll of your choice. So I thought that would be kind of fun. These dolls are definitely worth way more than this, but I need to raise some money quickly, and I think this will be a fun way to do it. And I love the idea of people having these dolls in their homes and being able to, use them for your own sculpting too, and as a reference. So you can learn to be a better sculptor, and I'm happy to help you however I can. All right, I think I've covered it, and thank you so much for listening, and I think I've come up with a plan that can really work and be good for everyone, and especially help me so I can be a good, a good business person, a good mentor, I guess, in some ways, a good guide, and also learn from you as well. So anyway, thank you for listening, and I would love to see you jot down over to the Ko-fi site. If you don't want to do a membership, you don't have to. I mean, you could always do it just to get the doll if you want, and then not stay after the first month. There are also a lot of dolls available here. Let's see, let's go to View Shop. At some higher prices that are available, so you can look in the shop area. I also do have the Angora fur that I have. I decided to break it down into just like $1 worth, but it's only $5 right now, just so you can give it a try, because it's awesome, and I just want more people to know how awesome it is. Anyway, here's the shop that has all the different dolls, so if you are interested in one of these and want to be able to have access to all of my content, that's the way to do it right now. Oh, I think that's what I was saying too. Some of these dolls, like this one and this one, I say on the video, I think her too, I am planning at this point to redo their faces, just because I want them to be even better. And so if you want one with a new face, or if you actually like this face, just let me know. Like, I won't cut the face off if somebody has selected it. I'll check with that person for sure, see what they want. And let's see, I think that was the last thing I needed to let you know about. There's also just our regular downloadable stuff here too, which I'm getting filled out as I am uploading stuff to Sculpt University as well. If you are looking for stuff for Valentine's, this is one of the best ones to get going on. She's really adorable. And we also have a leprechaun one coming up soon. I'll get that posted up here for you too. So anyway, we have some things that are super cheap, $5, $10. So I'm sure there's something for everybody here, and I hope you enjoy the several days of free sculpting videos. So be sure to hang out on the Ko-fi channel, and you'll be able to see the announcements as each one is posted. Thanks a lot.